Alright, this is the gear set for a 727 out of Chrysler. This is a kickdown band, which applies into your front clutch drum. This is your input shaft, your turbine shaft, which goes into the turbine of your torque converter. This right here is your front clutch drum with your your high reverse clutches in it. This right, which splies into your sump shell and your rear drum, your rear clutch drum. This is your rear clutch drum with your forward gears in it.
Clutches. Forward clutches.
Forward clutches in it. This is your front planetary carrier, which sets into your front planetary regear, and that your front planetary carrier splines into your common sun gear, which is in your sun shell, which splines back into your rear planetary carrier, which splines into your output ring gear. And that sits inside your low reverse drum. This is your low reverse drum band. And on the back of your low reverse drum, this is where your one-way clutch would go. And here is the race for where it splines into the one-way clutch. This splines in right in there for your one-way clutch, which is right here.
Now this is a 727 one-way clutch inside of a 904 transmission.
Yes.
But you get the idea.
All right.